You cannot cut all the flowers, but you cannot keep spring from coming. Let others' actions speak for them. People will show you far more than they will tell you. Life becomes easier and more beautiful when we can see the good in other people. You don't only live once, you live multiple lives within one. The biggest thing you need to accept is change. You were born with 2 ears and one mouth. Use them in that proportion. If you are a friend of everybody, you are an enemy to yourself. Never make someone a priority who only makes you an option. With time, the more wins with fear you can accumulate, the more fearless you will become. Letting go is very hard, but it's the best thing to do. To know who your true friends are, look for the ones who say good things behind your back and bad things to your face. You cannot have everything. You always exchange something for something. First, you choose a partner on the basis of their looks and enjoy until you realize that your kids will not be raised by their looks but by their values. Just because you miss someone doesn't mean you need them back in your life. Missing is a part of getting over. Don't compare the behind the scene of your life to someone else's highlight reel. You will never ruin a role if you play yourself. All you have power and influence over is what you decide to do with the time that you are given today. If someone emphasizes that they are telling the truth, you can be sure they are lying. You only get one body. Take care of it. You'll have it all your life. And while it is incredibly resilient, it can only give you what you put in. If you are gonna get angry about something, think to yourself, will I remember this in 10 years? Overthinking ruins you. It ruins the situation, twists things around, make you worry about futile questions, and makes everything much worse than it actually is. Act like you have been there before. Your parents were correct multiple times, even if not academically qualified. Stop insulting them when they advise you. Self-care is realizing that you are your greatest obstacle. You own nothing to your younger self, but you own everything to your present self. Don't look for happiness, it's always inside you. Light travels faster than sound. That's why some people appear bright until you hear them speak. Don't do anything that you will have to lie about later. Not everything in your brain needs to come out of your mouth. People give you advice based on their perspective. If you put her on a pedestal, She has no choice but to look down on you. Don't make permanent decision on temporary emotions. Fear is not there to stop you. It's there to show you that you are interested and you care. Take your responsibilities seriously but not yourself. The people who ask the most from you are the people who do the least for you. Don't be afraid to be alone. Being by yourself is far superior than being with crappy people. Share your progress, not your goals, and you will always be motivated. Learn to be content and happy by yourself. If you need a company to be happy, then it will make you weak. Don't get emotionally attached to anyone. People change. Even your best friend can turn into strangers one day. Every second you spend comparing your life to someone else's is a second spent wasting yours. Don't worry about what other people are thinking about you because everyone is only thinking about themselves. Being honest may not get you a lot of friends, but it will always get you the right ones. But you won't forget someone bad things. You just stop caring until that happens. Don't stress too much about it. The more grateful you are, the more beauty you will see all around you, the more generous life will seem, and the happier you will become. If you can drop anything from your world, drop the ego. Be smart enough to ask for advice, but be wise enough to know who to seek it from. All you have is the now and what you do with it. Chasing happiness will lead you to misery until you realize that happiness is the way. The life you experience is simply a reflection of your mindset. Action breeds more clarity than thoughts, so you can't think your way into a new life. You have to act your way into one. You grow rich when you seek new experiences, not material things. Your entry life can change in an instant. So instead of passively taking what you have for granted, be grateful for it and do whatever good you can with it. You don't find your purpose somewhere else. You create your purpose exactly where you are and you bear meaning to it. Keep an open mind and act like an artist, but think, fail, and learn like a scientist. Going back to your ex is like having a shower and putting dirty underwear back on. Don't make promises if you have no intention to fulfill them. It might not mean anything to you, but it could mean a whole world to someone else. You can fall in love more than once. You don't need to worry much when someone you love leaves. Most of the time, it's for the good. if someone is trying to bring you down. It only means you are above them. Commitment is what gets you started. Consistency is what gets you somewhere. And persistence is what keeps you going.